Yeah, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, it's the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, August the 20th, 2022. And we have here 7 puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. I will solve this tomorrow. The 2 stars Sudoku, I will solve this also tomorrow. Sudoku with 3 stars, I've already solved. Sudoku with 4 stars, already solved. Tectonic with 4 stars. Later on, I will continue with this one. And the Tectonic with 1 star tomorrow. And this one, yes. Binary time. Binary puzzle. Number. This will be number 5047. Yeah. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. Well, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Number 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. And now, double 1. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here in the last column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the second row, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, 4 1s we have here in the first column, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then 3 O's we have here in this last row. I cannot place the 4th O here, otherwise we have 3 1s in a row in this last row. So it's not the solution to place the O here. This should be a 1 then. Okay, between 2 ones comes an O. Then I think we need to compare. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have 2, 3 columns. Can I compare the columns? That's the question. O double L 1. No. Double O here. No. Double 1 here. 1 O 1. Well, no. Difficult. How about this row and that row? All right. 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Empty box. O O. We need to switch those 2 digits. We have 1 here. This should be an O. We have O here. This should be a 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Here we have 4 1s. So the rest are O's. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. 3 O's we have here. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Finished in 4 minutes. Yes, with 1 time comparing. And I like this one, very fast to solve. And if you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.